The details of the dream are not all that important. And in fact, I don't remember them very well. I remember the outcome. The outcome was triumph. And the triumph of the dream is also not all that very important. What is important is that I came out of the dream with a little bit of a revelation, an epiphany about why things didn't work out for me in public radio. And after a long period of success, why things didn't work out for me in academia either. And the revelation, the message of the dream was that the reason it didn't work out inside those systems was because ultimately I am better than all that. This is a bold assertion, and in many ways, it could be argued that it is not supported by the facts. But I know better than to buy that argument. My calling is belletrism. Not radio, as wonderful as that medium once was. And not professing, as lovely as that niche was at times for me. I am at the end of all travail. I think that word, etymologically, means something like work, trabajo. I am finally beyond work, beyond travail. The place I always dreamed of being. And I am better than all that. From now on, I'm not going to deny it. Cold can be good for you. The radio this morning was really hoping that I would care about the problems of a bunch of normie breeders in Alabama and their eggs, but I refuse to care about that. I just want to know what made these little footprints. Feral cat is a possibility. It occurs to me that they're the ones who are still drinking from the river. I know you don't think that's better, but I believe you are mistaken. Instead of the Bama babies, I care. About this half-frozen slag pond. How it came to be. How long it will take once the sun's rays hit it to turn back into liquid. I think what I probably need to do at some point is learn the real name of this river. Even the parent body, the progeny body that they call the Colorado, wasn't always called Colorado. Once upon a time it was called the Grand, as in the canyon of the Grand. That canyon wasn't always called a national park. It didn't always attract Chinese tourists. Once, it was just another big ditch. And maybe it's true that it is a wonder of the world. But that makes no more difference than frozen embryos in Mobile. What we have instead is the breaking of the day. What we have instead is one more dawn. And it doesn't matter if we call it millennial or not. I can believe, truthfully, authentically, that once upon a time, it was far better to drink from the river and still run back to my settlement and drink instead my specially formulated electrolytic reverse osmosis water. 4 glasses of it, and then a 5th closer to bedtime. for added magnesium. We're all just a little bit nuts, each in our own ways. And so, blessings, bright dawn blessings to all those poor people in Alabama standing on the sidewalk with their frozen eggs. I can have sympathy for the burned up mattresses of their lives. And I can just keep walking. It seems like there should be shame in that. But I'm here to tell you that there isn't. Live your beautiful life. Down in Bama. Here. Out to the west somewhere. In Lebanon. In the Ukraine. In the Yemen, in Flint, Michigan, and East Palestine, Ohio. You are you. They can't take that away from you unless you choose to let them.